What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming review of Realme 6 Pro smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics games. We will also monitor whether we are going to face any hitting issue, memory management and the battery performance as well. So let's start it. So right now none of the power saving mode is on, and we are going to use the high performance mode for this testing to get the best gaming performance out of the device. So let's select the high performance mode here, and then we will use the game space feature to play all of these games. Once again, in the game space as well, we will use the competition mode, and here you can see that the CPU temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 33. So first of all, let's start with the memory management. So right now here is the Asphalt 9 going on the Realme 6 Pro, and there is one more game running in the background, that's Injustice 2. So you can see that when I'm switching between the games from Injustice 2 to Asphalt 9, none of them are getting closed. So I can just resume any of these two, switching back and forth, and the game will be exactly there. So the 8GB RAM, the memory management is quite good, as you can see here. At least two high-end heavy graphics game can be played side by side. Let's try with one more game now. So right now I have started playing Call of Duty, and the other two games, Injustice 2 and Asphalt 9, are still running in the background. So let's go from here to Injustice 2, and you can see that game is exactly where I left. Now let's try Asphalt 9, and this one is here as well, and I can just resume and start playing it. Let's go back to Call of Duty one more time, and this is here as well. So you can see that the memory management is really nice of Realme 6 Pro. When it comes to gaming, you can play 3 high-end heavy graphics games without worrying about the force closing. So let's close all of them and let's start the test now. Let's play a few of them in the highest possible graphics setting and let's see how good it's going to be. So once again, let's check the battery status. It's 62% now. From here we will start, and the CPU and battery temperature we will start from here as well. So 62%. First of all, let's start with the Call of Duty. So this is the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile that we have selected. Very high for graphics and frame rate as well. If I go to high here, I will get the max 4 FPS as well, but let's play the game on very high for both the graphics and frame rate, and let's see how good it's going to be on Realme 6 Pro.
Rapid fire.
So the volume is full, and you can see that the 3D graphics rendering is so smooth here. No frame drops or lagging, lots of detailing in everything. And if you have a look here on the wall or the ground, you can see how much detail we are getting. Also, if you have a look on the gun,
We lost the lead.
you can get the idea of the graphics quality here. The detailing we are getting, it's so good and it's super
Enemy
smooth.
UAV spotted. Hostile Predator missile inbound. UAV
So
online.
let's play the game a bit.
Be advised, hostile sentry gun spotted. Sentry gun ready for deployment. Stealth chopper on standby. Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed. Be advised, hostile gun missile inbound. Stealth chopper inbound. Friendly sentry gun deployed. Be advised, hostile care package inbound. Sentry gun ready to deploy. Stealth chopper awaiting orders.
So everything is nice and smooth while playing Call of Duty Mobile here. No frame drops, no lagging.
Heads up.
So
Enemy
good.
UAV spotted.
And here you can see that we are getting 60 FPS on Call of Duty Mobile, and you can have a look on the graphics quality once again. If you have a look on the ground, lots of detailing and everything, so good. And the 3D graphics rendering is very nice. If you have a look, you can see here, so nice, no lagging, no frame drops, and everything is super smooth and lots of detail. Especially the 3D graphics is so nice when you change the camera angle. So let's go back from here, let's close it, let's play the next game, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting, you can see that on Realme 6 Pro, HD is the maximum graphics setting and high is for frame rate. If I go to HDR, you can see I cannot select it. So we are going to play the game on HD graphics and high frame rate. So here you can get the idea about the graphics quality of PUBG Mobile on Realme 6 Pro. You can see that lots of detail, especially if you have a look on the costume of the character, the shoulder pad, the hoodie, everything is having great amount of detail. So here you can see that we are getting around 30 FPS on PUBG Mobile while playing it on this Realme 6 Pro smartphone. So this is the maximum you will get on high graphics quality. So it's quite smooth. So here you can see that everything is nice and smooth and no frame drop is happening. And once again, the FPS we are getting is not more than 30. It's maximum 30 we are getting, but still it's quite nice and smooth, considering that we are playing this game on the highest possible graphics setting of PUBG Mobile for this device. And especially if you have a look on the graphics quality, for example, the tree here or the grass on the ground, everything is so nice, lots of detailing. So it's very nice for sure. And you can see once again, all is so nice and smooth while playing PUBG Mobile on Realme 6 Pro. So let's go back from here, let's close it, and let's have a look on the battery status. So right now it's at 57% and the battery temperature is 41 degrees Celsius. CPU is at still 40. So let's play Injustice 2 now. The graphics quality is so good and it's very smooth here as well.
Wait till you see my surprise.
So you can see that we are getting around 60 FPS while playing Injustice 2 on Realme 6 Pro. And the graphics quality is great for sure. So there is no frame drop, no lagging, everything is so nice and smooth. And the 3D graphics rendering is so good, as you can see. So everything was nice, smooth, and the graphic quality was good as well while playing Injustice 2 on Realme 6 Pro. So let's close this one as well, and now let's play Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see that we have selected the high graphics quality. And now let's play the game. So you can see the graphics quality is amazing. If you have a look on the road, the reflection on the body of the cars, there was a minor frame drop when my car collided with the another one. And here I wrecked my car. The graphics quality is so good. And the gyro is working pretty well here as well, you can see. And you can see that it is not showing the FPS when I'm going to the game space mode. The game is getting paused, so I cannot check the FPS here. Let me try one more time. 25 FPS it was showing at that time, so we can get the idea that it's gonna be around 30 FPS, but you can see that it's very smooth, and especially the graphics quality was brilliant. One frame drop happened once, and it was very minor, not too much, so it was really good. So if you play Asphalt 9 on your smartphone, then you're going to be happy with the performance. Let's go back from here, let's close this one, and now let's play the last game for today, and that's going to be the Shadowgun Legends. So here in the game setting of Shadowgun Legends, you can see that we have selected the ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS. And now let's play the game, but before that let me give you a quick idea of the smoothness. You can see it's quite smooth here, and if you have a look once again at the costume of the character, you can see how much detail we are getting. The shadowing and everything is so nice.
Here I come.
The graphics quality is so good. Minor frame drop once happened, but the graphics quality is so good, especially if you have a look the detailing on the gun, or when the drone was exploding, the effect was so good. One more time you can see it here. It's really impressive. So it's very smooth for sure here. The graphics quality is so nice. And here you can see that we are getting around 45-46 FPS. If you have a look on these robots, you can see how much detailing is there. It's so nice. And the effects are so good as well. Once again, let's have a look on the FPS. We are getting nearly 50 FPS this time. So we can expect around 60 FPS while playing Shadowgun Legends on Realme 6 Pro. You can see it's very smooth. No frame drops or lagging is happening, just minor frame drops, and the graphics quality is so impressive for sure. So let's go back from here and let's have a look on the battery temperature, because the device is warm for sure. So you can see that it's at 44 and now it's at 45 degrees Celsius. So it's increased a bit for sure, but not too much in terms of number. But I can feel that the device is warm. Even the screen is warm on this side, and here the device is especially warm here on this part, once again on the screen. So it's hot for sure, but it's showing that it's at 44 degrees Celsius. And talking about the battery percentage, it's at 51, and that's quite impressive because we started at 62%, and after playing all of these games and recording this video for like nearly 40 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 62 to 51. So it's not that bad considering that we were playing all of these games on the high performance mode that clearly says more power will be consumed. Also in the game space, we selected the competitive mode, that's also more power consuming. But thanks to all of these, we were getting great performance from all of these games as well. So if you are a gamer, you will be happy with the performance of Realme 6 Pro because it is capable of running most of these high-end heavy graphics games on the highest possible graphics setting. The battery performance is good. The only drawback is that the device is getting a bit warm. Also while playing PUBG, I felt the device was slightly getting warmer compared to how it was while playing other games. But in Shadowgun Legends, it's one of the most high-end heavy graphics game. We were playing it at ultra high graphics quality, and because of that, the device is warm for sure now. But other than that, everything regarding the performance while playing these games on Realme 6 Pro is impressive for sure. So if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.